Hello everyone, I'm so excited for my new product launch and I will share that with you, but I've got a giveaway, so stay tuned for later on in the video. I'm so excited of this new era of the beauty biz. I have compiled 30 years worth of experience into digital product library full of ebooks and mini courses personalized to fit you through skincare routines, product knowledge, insider secrets, and special fashion tips and tricks. You guys do have to go to the website at kimsbeautybiz.com and check that out. These digital product resources are available to you, starting out with freebie fun quizzes to get you interested and find out certain skin types and body types and fashion choices. The ebooks are designed with excellent skincare, personalized skincare routines, skincare insider secrets. We deal with major skincare concerns. The fashion books are not just fun, but a little bit edgy, and the mini courses are put in place to further elevate the whole beauty transformation. The new website at kimsbeautybiz.com, you can see the video here will walk you through everything. We have 9 different ebooks and 3 different mini courses. There's ebooks on fashion, skincare, beauty. There's also a few relationship ebooks if you want to up your love game. Like I said, they're all a little bit edgy, but really, really fun. And the mini courses I offer are things I've worked so hard my whole life and compiled so much helpful knowledge for you guys. So check out the website at kimsbeautybiz.com. Now about the details of the bonus giveaway. You guys, I have a free Lancome product goodie bag that has a full-size Lancome Genifique serum, a travel size of Le Galate cleanser, and a full-size Seals Booster Mascara Primer. You guys enter to win by commenting below on this video. You can comment as many times as you want and enter as many times as you want, but not just the main product giveaway we're going to have, but I'm giving away 3 free ebooks, 1 to each of 3 different people, the ebook of your choice that you can pick off the website, and that drawing will take place Friday at 6 o'clock, and all entries for the goodie bags and the free ebooks will end at 5 o'clock Central Time here in the USA. So you guys, I am so excited about this product launch. You guys, please comment below and don't miss your chance to win our free product giveaway. Thanks for your support all these years. I appreciate you always. I can't wait to see the awesome beauty transformations that you guys are going to be able to make with these tools. As always, I wish you much love. Don't forget the product giveaway. And remember, I give you the tools, but the transformation is up to you. Till next time, much love.